Okay, so using the GoPro camera, we're going up the Renaissance Denver Conference Center in Denver, Colorado. We're going down to B. So this is from a GoPro camera. I had it a little set up because the broom key was actually on my phone, so that's why I was like, I just wanted to give it a try. So let me see what we got. Well, actually, I do have to head out to run some errands. It's like almost 2 in the morning. All right. Alright, that's it. You just wait for this elevator to close. Wait for this elevator to close. There we go.